Hi, second grade. Today is day number 2 of our three-dimensional ice cream cone project. Last time I saw you, what we did was we drew our ice cream cone, and remember we drew 9 different circles with 3 flavors. So this is what mine looks like now that it's done. What you're going to need today is another piece of paper, which is going to be vertical, up and down. And then you're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're also going to need your glue. All right, I want you to start off today by cutting out your pieces. Remember to cut on the lines. Take your time. All right, cut each of your pieces out. Save your scrap paper for later. You might end up using it for something. Okay, I'm going to cut out some of mine, but you're going to cut out all of yours. I want us to not take up too much time on this video with me cutting. Okay, let me get my purple ones cut out, and then we will continue on with what we're doing. Okay, remember 3D, we're doing 3D today, is artwork that is not flat. It has dimension. It's not just a flat piece of paper. So we're going to try to make our stuff look like it's popping off the page, kind of like a pop-up book. I'm going to start off with my purple ice cream cones, or ice creams first. Okay, so we'll do our ice cream cone. I want the cone to be towards the bottom of the paper. Your goal was to draw this nice and large so your ice cream cone takes up the whole page. All right, I want you to take your ice cream cone, I want you to flip it over, and I want you to fold like a little, we'll call it a tab, on the side of each of your V triangle. So I have this little tab, okay? This tab is going to be what helps make your artwork pop out, okay? All right, and what I'm also doing is I'm kind of creasing the middle of the triangle so that it'll look 3D. Okay, so I have these tabs. I'm going to grab my glue. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on each of the tabs. And then the trick is, because this is going to try to pop back off, is to hold it down for a minute so it'll stay. All right. I'm going to stick my finger in there so it looks like a three-dimensional ice cream cone. I'm popping it up. I'm holding it for a second so it'll stay. Okay, so there is my ice cream cone. Let's work on our ice cream. Okay, so I want us to start off with taking our ice cream, and it wouldn't be a terrible idea. I know this takes a little more time, but to color the other side of your ice creams in, or color the other side of your ice cream. So if I have purple, the other side of my ice cream will be purple. All right, I'm going to scribble scrabble, but on the video, or on my picture, it'll look nice and neat. I just don't want us to take too much time in these videos. So let's pretend that these are colored in nicely. Okay. So what I want you to do is, with your ice cream, I want you to take each of your circles and I want you to fold them in half. So it kind of looks like a taco shell. All right. Then what you're going to do, our goal is to make our ice cream look 3D also, is you are going to take your one side of your taco, you're going to put some glue, and remember, we want the ice cream to look like it's sitting on top of the ice cream cone. All right, so what I'm going to do is do one side, and then what I'm going to do is where that little fold is where I made, I'm going to put a line of glue, or if you have a glue stick, that'll work fine too. And I'm going to stick this new fold that I made on my next circle right in that crease. Okay, you're going to press it. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put another line of glue in that crease and stick my third. Okay, and you're going to mess around with this. Mine will look better when it's all colored in. That's why I said it looks better if you color both sides. Okay, be patient with it. It's not going to want to stay right away. Mess around with it a little. Okay, you're going to do that with all 3 ice creams. So I'm going to have one 3D ice cream here. I'll do another ice cream here, and then I'll do one on top. Like it's a big old hefty ice cream. Okay, I'm not going to show the other two flavors on this video because the video will be too long, but you'll see what it looks like in the picture. So all we're doing today is the 3D part. Next time you click on your video, we will talk about details. Keep up the good work, friends. Bye.